In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate text on an image using your iPhone without downloading any application. So to do this, click on your Notes application. Start a new note by clicking on this icon. Click on this icon and then you're going to see an option to choose photo or video. Click on it. It's going to open your photos library for you, and just click on the image you want to translate and click on Add. Once this is loaded up on your notes, just copy the text on the image and then you're going to see a list of options here. Click on the arrow to open more options, and here you're going to see the option to translate. Click on it. Here you can see we are translating from English to French. If you want to translate to another language, click on the drop down here and you're going to see different language from which you can select. Also, you have an option here to copy the translation if you want to use it for your other posts or any other thing. And that's it. Short, quick and easy method to translate the text on your images.